There is a phenomenon that outdoor safety researchers sometimes call the familiar surface fallacy. It describes the cognitive error most of us make every single day. We trust surfaces we have walked on before, and we stop assessing them as we approach. Your front steps. Your patio. The concrete path along the side of your house. You have walked these surfaces hundreds of times. Your brain has filed them under safe and moved on. You do not look at them carefully anymore. You trust them. This is exactly when the invisible hazard appears. During warm, humid summer months, and anyone in a region with consistent morning dew, regular summer rain, or proximity to wooded areas knows this well, a thin film of algae silently colonizes outdoor concrete, brick, stone, and wood. It starts invisibly. It has no obvious color in its early stages. It does not feel slimy until it gets wet. And once wet? It reduces the coefficient of friction on that familiar surface to something closer to wet glass than to grippy concrete. People fall on it because they trusted the surface. Because they had walked it 1,000 times before. Because nothing about it looked different. At Hydrohaven, we focus a great deal on how heat and humidity affect the body, how much faster we dehydrate in summer, how we need to adjust our fluid intake, how heat changes everything from our energy levels to our sleep patterns. But the summer environment does not just challenge us internally. It changes the physical spaces around us too. And the patio step you trusted in April may be genuinely dangerous by July. So today, let's fix that. The DIY approach: scrub it clean without a power washer. The most important thing to know about algae on outdoor steps is that you do not need industrial equipment to remove it. Hot water, baking soda, and a stiff bristled deck brush will strip an invisible algae film completely. Here is the method. Bring the largest pot of very hot water you have, or run your hose to its maximum heat if you have a sun-heated garden hose. Pour it liberally across each step. Immediately follow with a generous coating of baking soda, roughly 1 cup per step, sprinkled evenly from edge to edge. The baking soda serves 2 functions. It is mildly abrasive, giving your brush something to work with mechanically. And it is alkaline, which disrupts the surface adhesion of algae colonies at a chemical level. Scrub with firm, circular strokes across every inch of each step surface and the riser edges. You will see the water cloud green or brown as the biological material breaks up. Rinse with clean water and allow it to dry completely in the sun. Do this every 3 to 4 weeks throughout summer. Algae regrows, that is simply what it does in warm, wet conditions. But with regular maintenance, you are staying ahead of the colonization cycle rather than reacting to a fall that already happened. One additional note: the undersides of outdoor steps, the edges of landings, and any area where water tends to pool or stay damp longer are the highest risk zones. Give them extra attention. A product the Hydrohaven community should know about. Here is something I want to share with you, not as a hard sell, just as something I genuinely think is useful and that I noticed has been generating quite a bit of positive attention on Amazon lately. It is an anti-slip grip tape specifically designed for outdoor stairs. It comes in a large 24-inch by 38-foot roll, which is enough to cover a full residential staircase with material to spare for landings and edges. You measure, cut, peel, and press. No professional installation. No tools. No damage to the step below. The link is in the description below this video. What makes this product worth knowing about is that it solves a real limitation of the DIY approach. The scrub method works beautifully, but it requires consistency. If you miss a week, or if it rains 2 days after you clean, or if morning dew arrives before the steps dry, your surface is back to being slippery before the grip tape would even be an issue. The tape is always there. It works wet or dry, after rain, after dew, after anything. It adds a reliable mechanical grip that the step surface itself, no matter how clean, simply cannot provide. I want to be clear, these are complementary, not competing solutions. Clean the steps. Add the tape. Between those two things, you have created an outdoor staircase that you can step onto confidently in any summer condition. What makes the tape work? Let me walk through the key features. The 24-inch width covers a standard residential step completely with no awkward gaps. The 38-foot roll means this is a complete, lasting solution rather than a temporary fix. The weatherproof adhesive is arguably the most critical specification. Many cheaper grip tapes fail outdoors within a season because their adhesive is not rated for UV exposure and thermal cycling. When those edges start to peel, the tape itself becomes a new trip hazard. This product is designed to bond permanently to wood, metal, and concrete. The abrasive surface is the same physics principle as sandpaper applied to your foot, friction that holds whether the surface is wet or dry. The summary: summer humidity and morning dew create an invisible algae film on outdoor steps that looks clean and feels dry until the moment your foot loses grip. The baking soda scrub, hot water, baking soda, stiff brush, rinse, removes it completely without power washing risk. Repeat every 3 to 4 weeks. For continuous protection, add the anti-slip grip tape I mentioned. It is quite popular on Amazon right now and the link is below in the description. Together, these 2 steps turn one of the most common summer-fall hazards into a surface you can walk with confidence.